Have you ever needed to check which version of iOS is installed on your iPhone? Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, checking app compatibility, or preparing for an update, knowing your iOS version is important. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your iPhone's iOS version number in just a few simple steps. Even if you're new to iPhones, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. The easiest way to find your iOS version is through the Settings app. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app on your home screen. Tap to open it. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. The General section contains key information about your iPhone, including software updates, device details, and storage information. Now, tap on About. This is the page where you'll find important details about your iPhone, including the model name, serial number, and of course the iOS version. Look for a section labeled iOS version or software version. This will show you the exact iOS number currently installed on your iPhone. For example, it might say iOS 17.3.1 or another version depending on what's installed on your device. If you need to copy this version number for reference, you can press and hold on it, and a small pop-up will appear with a copy option. This makes it easy to share your iOS version with tech support or anyone who needs it. Now, let's go over another way to check for your iOS version, through software update. Sometimes people check their iOS version when they're considering updating their iPhone. To do this, go back to the General menu in Settings and tap on Software Update. Here, you'll see your current iOS version displayed at the top, along with any available updates. If an update is available, you'll have the option to download and install it. Now, why is it important to know your iOS version? Your iOS version determines which features and security updates your iPhone has. Some apps require a specific version of iOS to function properly, and some features are only available on the latest updates. If you ever encounter an issue with an app or service, one of the first troubleshooting steps is to check if you're running the latest iOS version. If you find that you're running an outdated version of iOS, you can update it easily. Just go back to Settings, General Software Update, and if a new update is available, tap Download and Install. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery before updating. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find the iOS version number on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.